To add a chat overlay in OBS Studio, you can use a browser-based chat widget and display it directly inside your stream scene. First, open the chat overlay service you want to use and customize the appearance of your chat. You can usually change the font, colors, background, message layout, and other visual options. Once your chat overlay is ready, copy the browser source URL provided by the service. Now open OBS Studio and select the scene where you want your chat to appear. In the Sources section, click the plus icon and choose Browser. Give the source a name such as Chat Overlay, then paste the chat widget URL into the URL field. Set the width and height based on the size of your stream layout. Click OK, and the chat overlay will appear in your OBS preview. You can now move and resize the chat overlay to place it exactly where you want. Make sure it doesn't cover important parts of your gameplay, webcam, or other content. If your chat overlay has a transparent background, you can place it directly over your video without blocking the content underneath. Before going live, send a test message in your stream chat and check whether it appears correctly in OBS. If the message doesn't show, refresh the browser source and check the widget URL. You can also adjust the chat size and position until it looks clean and easy for viewers to read. And that's how you can add a chat overlay in OBS Studio and display your live chat directly on your stream.